So, I saw this brand on TikTok. There was a girl, she's super famous. She has blonde hair. Everyone and their mother knows her. I know you know who I'm talking about. And she was using this Wonderblading lip color from Wonderskin. And I was like, I've never seen anything like that in my entire life. So then they reached out to me and they're like, hey, we'd love to send you some products. So I said, okay, bestie. So it says, actually let me read about it so I don't tell you wrong. Okay, so it says, the pioneering mask delivers a ultra pigment and the activator locks in the color. Then simply peel and reveal for ultimate staying power. Lips stay soft all day as our alcohol-free formula hydrates where others dry. Color won't transfer, fade, or feather, and it's waterproof too. Wash off with your regular cleanser. And it says each lab-created color works perfectly with your own chemistry to create a shade that's unique to you. It's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and responsibly formulated with safe ingredients. Okay, dope. So it says the first thing you need to do is apply 2 to 3 coats onto clean exfoliated lips like a lip gloss. Use the short side or side up to go and down strokes, blah, blah. Ensure lips are completely covered and no skin is visible. Leave on for 10 to 45 seconds. The longer you leave on, the more saturated your lip color will be. Mist activator 1 to 2 times to peel and reveal. Okay, let's try it. I'm just going to use this washcloth. It's clean. A washcloth is my favorite lip exfoliator. Let me get a drink. I'm drinking Liquid IV. Liquid IV came out with a new flavor, tangerine. I tried it the other day at Costco. It was bussing. This is the shade Glamorous. So then it comes with the 2, whoa, what's that? Fancy. It's got directions in there too, and directions on the back of the box. I like that. Okay, so it's got the Wonderblading Lip Mask, is this one. And then this is the Wonderblading Activator. Okay. You guys, I've been filming like crazy. In the past 2 days, I've filmed and uploaded already on YouTube 4 videos that are already up. Like I already filmed, recorded, edited them, and got them up on YouTube and have their thumbnails and like everything ready to go. Isn't that crazy? I'm proud of myself. Okay, what's this? Oh, wipe away towel. Okay. It's giving Xenon Z3. It says I need, is this a vibe? It says I need thick coats. So I'm gonna go in with another. Is this your personal journey for me? Let me know. Okay, what's next, besties? Leave it on for 45 seconds. The longer you leave it on, the more saturated your lip color will be. Mist activator 1 to 2 times to peel and remove. Okay. That's so neat. Okay. So, like I said, this one is in the shade Glamorous. So, we'll see what this looks like. I am going to leave it on for probably 45 seconds. It's been about 25 already. And shade Glamorous. Here's what it comes with, besties, in case you want to purchase. Here's the activator. Then it's got the actual lip blading kit. And then the little towel. That's nice that they give you that to remove. Okay, so it's definitely been 45 seconds. I'm going to use this mist. Okay, I'm going to try to peel it off all in one. That's crazy. That's satisfying. Look. Okay, that's neat. Okay, I'm scared of spraying things directly at my face. Don't ask me why, I just am. Thank you. So I'm going to spray it onto my finger. And then put it on there because I don't think I got enough on my lips. The top part came off so easy. And the bottom part would, but I didn't get any on there. Okay, yeah. Now look. Let me get my little towel. Ooh, I really like this color. Also, lip stains are so in. I was watching Rudy Berry the other day. I love Rudy Berry. And she was talking about lip stains. And I was like, ooh, I need to get on that. This is really pretty. Okay, wait a minute. I really like that. Once I put the activator where it was supposed to go, it came off super easy. I just kind of messed up because I was like, I don't know, I just can't spray things directly at my face. So I put it on my finger and went like this, and it came off super easy. I really like that color. Kind of tastes good. I really like the look of a lip stain because I feel like you get the best of both worlds. You get the color, but you don't have to worry about it sliding around everywhere. Because usually if you're wearing a red lip, then, I mean, you're going to have a lot going on. You know what I mean? And I feel like this looks so good. With my red Nady Marabi shirt. Okay. And then I do think it's genius that you can get the triple blading or the Wonderblading triple action remover. So if you want to remove a stain, obviously because it's a stain, it's going to be harder to remove than like just a regular like lip gloss or lipstick, that you can get that. So you don't have to worry about, you know, if you don't want to wear it all day. Okay, I like that. This is neat. I want to use it again. I think I'll use it this weekend. I'm going to Nashville to film. And I think on Saturday, whenever we go to the mall, I might wear this because I like it. I like the stain. It looks just like, that's what it looks like. It looks like model off-duty, like effortless kind of vibe. You know?